Hi there. In this video, we're going to guide you through setting up your new XGS-PON equipment so you can get online in minutes. You are now holding the fastest home broadband standard available. Whether you're just joining us or upgrading your current plan, this setup is about to change the way you connect. Get ready for lower latency, massive bandwidth, and a network that's future-ready. Let's get started. First things first, let's identify your specific device. Match the one on your screen to what's in your kit. 1-port ONT or similar. 5-port ONT, 10G SFP Plus module. Before we begin, make sure you have your ONT device, your fiber cable, your power cable, and your LAN cable. Also, locate your fiber termination point. This is usually located near your DB box or in the living room. If you have this compact single-port device, this section is for you. Connect the yellow fiber cable into your PON port. Push gently until it clicks. Step 2. Connect the 10G LAN port to your router's WAN port using your Ethernet cable. Step 3. Power it on. The PON light will blink briefly. That's normal. Once it turns steady, your fiber link is up. When the LAN light blinks, your router is talking to the modem, and you're good to go. Troubleshooting. A blinking red LOS light usually means that the fiber isn't fully inserted. Check the connection. If the LAN doesn't light up, remove and reconnect the Ethernet cable both on the ONT and the router. This is the multi-port ONT, built for flexible home setups or if you have a one-voice account. Step 1. Connect the yellow fiber cable into your PON port. Step 2. This is important. Look for the port labeled 10G. Ensure you connect your router's WAN port specifically to this high-speed port to get the speeds you paid for. Once powered on, a solid PON light means your fiber is active. The LAN light will start blinking once your router is connected. Troubleshooting. If you see the LOS light is blinking, the fiber cable might be a little loose. Just check that it's fully plugged in. And if the LAN light stays off, unplug and reconnect the Ethernet cable on both sides to make sure it's seated properly. This is the SFP Plus module for direct 10 gigabit fiber. Step 1. Insert the fiber connector into the SFP Plus module first. Step 2. Slide the module into your router's SFP Plus WAN port until it locks in place. If the link light doesn't show up, reseat the module firmly. If the LOS light blinks, check your fiber cable. You may need to log into your router settings to manually select SFP Plus as your WAN input. Your ViewQuest XGS-PON Broadband is now up and running. Your next step is getting your router set up so everything connects smoothly. Look for the setup guide for the router brand to complete the installation. Hit that follow button and stay tuned for more simple guides on improving your Wi-Fi experience at home. And whenever you need support, we're right here to help.